I'm Ken/Kendall of Excuse Me While I Gush. Now, excuse me while I gush about two comics that I read on my way in to see St. Vincent perform in Boston. So the two comics are The House of Harkness issue 2 for Marvel Unlimited. It's an exclusive comic series that is only running on the Marvel streaming service. The second one is the Birds of Prey number 7 for the DC Universe Infinite. So for Marvel Unlimited, what I got from House of Harkness so early on in the series, it feels like Beverly Hills 90210 meets Harry Potter. And I'm realizing how many decades ago each of those references are. It's a collection of different mystical characters from across the MCU, mainly the 616. So Loki, Nico from the Runaways, Scarlet Witch. And many of the characters have arcane abilities. That is like witchcraft, paganism, mysticism from the more occult side. Some of the mystical gifts are more from like famous polytheistic faiths, like the Nordic gods, or I'm not entirely sure if Hinduism would be called polytheistic. That is one of the faiths involved. And so it is interesting seeing the wide diversity of different supernatural abilities collected in this setting. It feels almost Harry Potter. Feels almost like X-Files. Sorry, I'm trying to dodge as many people, keep them out of the viewfinder. So the second comic that I was reading is the Birds of Prey number 7. Now I'm a bigger fan of the classic Gail Simone Birds of Prey series. And this team feels very close to the original, like the Of Like Minds group. There was Oracle, Barbara Gordon, and Black Canary. The original had Huntress. And so in this version, it has Babs, Barbara Gordon. Sometimes it's Batgirl, sometimes it's Oracle, Black Canary, and one of the Batgirls, Cassandra Cain. Sort of like Gail Simone's second run with Birds of Prey, it has other female superheroes subbing in. So a character from a future timeline named Meridian, or Barda from New Gods, and Vixen, who in this newest version of the DCU has gone from being a fashion model to owning a prominent fashion house. That is a design house in the industry. And so I'm going to read more on this series. It talks about this whole mythos of green and red. And especially after having read the Alan Scott Green Lantern, which has its own definition of the green and red being opposites, I'm going to have to read more about what it is, what the meaning is in the Birds of Prey series. Because I imagine that it's more than just polar opposites, or like a Kandinsky-esque color theory. Right, so those are my two comics for this video. If you have any suggestions, just leave them down below in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe for more. Thank you and have a good night. Going to enjoy some of the, I can't get focus on that, St. Vincent's concert. I'm covering it as part of my Rock Blaster content. Have a good night.